We're going to look at borrowing today. Our first example is this. Our first step in borrowing is to subtract our whole numbers. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then we take our fractions off to the side and we set them up. 1/4 minus 2/5, and we use the flying X method. 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 4 is 8. Bring down our subtraction sign. Then we multiply our two denominators and we get 20. Now we can't do 5 minus 8. Most people would say 3, but that's not right. So what we need to do is borrow. We take our whole number and take 1 from this whole number. So this becomes a 1. And then we take this and we add the 2. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 minus 8 we can do. 25 minus 8 is 17, and then we put it over our denominator. So we now have 1 and 17/20. Our second example is this. Subtract whole numbers. 7 minus 2 is 5. Bring your two fractions off to the side. 3/5 minus 7/10. Use flying X. 30. 35. Multiply your two denominators. 5 times 10 is 50. Can't do 30 minus 35, so we borrow from our whole number. It becomes a 4, and we add these two. 30 becomes 80. 80 minus 35 is 45. We put it over a denominator. Now, what we need to remember is to simplify. This is not in lowest terms. So before we bring it back over here, we're going to put it in lowest terms. 45 over 50 becomes, we divide by 5 to both sides. It becomes 9/10. And then we bring it back over here and we get 4 and 9/10.